Hi guys, welcome back. Let's learn how to easily enable or disable the 3D mode in Asphalt Legends on your iPhone or Android device. 3D mode changes the game's visuals into a stereoscopic ray cyan format designed for use with Anagil 3D glasses, thereby creating a unique depth effect while racing. If you have accidentally enabled it and the screen looks blurry or distorted, or if you are curious about trying the feature yourself, this guide will walk you through everything you need to know about it. That's it. Let's get started. So first you have to launch the Asphalt Legends game on your device, and then you have to hit the settings icon located at the upper right corner of the screen. After that, you have to tap on the game settings tab located at the top, and then you have to choose sound and display option. After that, you have to head over to the display settings and hit the tiny forward arrow located right next to the 3D mode, and then choose the on or off option depending on your needs. And that's about it. So that's how you can easily enable or disable the 3D mode in Asphalt Legends on your iOS or Android device. Remember that this feature is intended for use with Red Cyan 3D glasses, so if the game looks blurry or displayed overlapping colors, simply turn the option off to return to the normal view. It's worth pointing out that if you're experimenting with 3D gaming or using compatible hardware, you can always switch it back on whenever you want to experience the added depth effect. And that's all there is to it. Now that you have unlocked this pretty cool feature, make the most of it in order to spice up the racing experience, and I'll catch you up in the next one.